Trauma treatment has evolved, but many clinicians are still left asking, how do I move from theory or knowledge to confidently applying it in the room? Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah Stewart Spencer, and I want to invite you to an advanced 4-day experiential training designed specifically for clinicians and supervisors who are ready to deepen their trauma skill set. This hands-on training is not lecture-based, it's case-driven, practice-focused. You'll work with real clinical scenarios. You'll engage in role plays and consultation. You'll receive guided feedback on assessment, stabilization, intervention selection, and clinical decision-making. And we go one step further, integrating resilience building directly into trauma treatment through the Peace Resilience model. Because sustainable trauma work isn't just about addressing the trauma, it's also about enhancing capabilities around adaptation, growth, enhancing well-being. We'll explore countertransference, therapist presence, nervous system regulation, self-awareness, and all of this not as add-ons, but as essential clinical tools. If you're looking for a training that bridges trauma theory with real-world application and strengthens both your clinical skills and your professional resilience, then this experience was designed for you. I'd love to see you there. Join us from theory to practice, integrating trauma treatment and resilience building in clinical work. I look forward to learning and practicing together with you.